Hi, welcome back to Ellie's channel. I'm just going to show you all the slimes that I have. So first is the really sticky slime, and we played with it earlier, but
don't play with
that.
it.
Yeah, it's really sticky, so I need wet wipe. Wipe it off. Don't show the slime.
I was showing the slime that you were doing.
Okay, that's the slime.
It has red sparkles in it.
Yeah, red sparkles in it. The tray just bent. Did you see that?
Yeah.
And then this slime is the what?
The clear slime.
The clear slime.
But it turned blue because of the detergent.
Yeah, it turned blue because of the detergent.
Please don't get that out.
And this is kind of sticky, but it's not. That's just in a really tiny bag. See?
Just lay it down. I'll put it in there.
Okay. And then this one.
Don't get that one out, please.
I know. I'm not going to get this one out because it's just really sticky, as you can tell. I'll just, like, squish it, if that's fine.
These are stressful.
Don't. And then that purple slime. And then this one's pretty sticky.
Yeah, don't touch that one. It's going to pour out.
And that's mostly it.
Hey, you got it on your phone.
And then this one is evening plus sunset slime. It's not sticky at all.
It used to be green, but then we put red sparkles in it, so it turned red.
Yeah. So that's what it looks like. And last but not least, it's this one. This slime is not sticky at all. I could take a big clump out of this.
It's called jiggly slime.
Yeah, it's called jiggly slime.
Don't get it in my other slime.
I won't. It's not sticky. See, she's talking about it's jiggly because that was a good catch. And then it breaks really easy.
The slime just slung on me.
I got that stuck in my hair.
Okay.
Okay, let me put this back. And then, last but not least, a stress ball.
Wait, plus this is my friend Abby.
Yeah. So, can we not take this out?
Yeah, don't take that out. It's really sticky Play-Doh.
Smells like Play-Doh.
It is Play-Doh.
And then, that's...
Here, let's clean off the thing.
That's all for you guys.
No, let's clean off the thing. We don't have to clean that off. Okay, let's clean off this. Here, hold it, and I'll clean it off.
Are you gonna make your separate video?
I don't know. I might make a video of making slime if I get glue. Who knows?
I better be here.
Because I have to run errands.
Today?
Yeah, but I mean, like, not right now.
We're just up in the like swing set right now, aren't we? Olivia?
Yeah.
And this is me.
How old are you?
I am 8. So that's...
Ew, what's that?
Oh, that was because I was cleaning off right here. And that's mostly... Oh, my shoes are in the way.
See, that's just...
And that's mostly all the slimes. We
Ew.
have 1, 2,
This is a dirty paper towel.
3, 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, 6.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Here, try to close that one back.
5, and 6. And then that's the tray. Nothing's in this one. Yeah, nothing's in that one.
It's dirty. There's slime on it.
Oh, nothing's in that, as you can tell.
Except for sequins.
And then
All the wipes.
these are all the dirty wipes that we used. Which one
I'm
has
trying to get all the slime off the board. So my sister, you probably know who my sister is by now. It's not Abby. She's just my friend.
Yeah.
I wish she was my sister though.
why? Because I'm nice.
Yes.
And your sister's mean, you said.
Yes, she said. Anyways, I'm getting another wipe and cleaning off this. So
Yeah, and I'm getting the white
my
clean
sister
off.
won't know that. Well, Kista won't know that.
Who's Krista?
My sister.
How old is she?
6.
Does she know you have slime?
Yep. So she won't know that you were over here. Because she'll want to play with you. We might go play kickball if you want to video that. You want to video that?
We'll probably